Morning guys, it's 4:30 in the morning. I've just got ready for work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to head off to work. Obviously I can't show you what I do at work because I'm working. So what I'm going to do is just do you guys a little vlog of what I get up to in a day. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. You'll have to let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I finish work. Right guys, so I've finished work. What I'm about to do now is I'm about to go and meet Keegan and Jesse. Jesse wants to film a few bits, so you guys are going to get to see a bit of behind the scenes. But yeah, we'll just see how today goes. It's obviously the first vlog I've ever done, so we'll see what's what, see how it pans out. Here's Jesse, look, walking away, because he's literally just like got everything all over his hands, so he's making the excuse to go to the toilet, but when in fact we all know exactly what he's going for. Full of shit.
Looks like a DIY man, doesn't he?
Does he? It looks like he's not changed for 4 days.
With my steel toe cut Harachi.
Right, so we're in B&Q trying to find this dude a grommet.
Dude.
This
by the way,
dude.
the guy from the car meet with the red limited edition courses watching this, I lost your grommet, mate. I'm so sorry.
Let down. Let down.
I'm so sorry.
I found a boost gauge vacuum line for Jesse's SRI. We're gonna put this on it instead.
Yeah, I need it's like a plug, not a grommet.
Yeah,
not that kind of plug. You know what I mean?
Really?
Yeah.
Fuck, I don't think I've got one.
He has no idea what he's actually looking for.
I know what it is, I just...
Not next to us.
Something like this.
Yeah,
Similar to that.
Basically, just
Should
use
we all
that
just
butt
have a
plug
strip
that
search
you've
in my car and have a look for it?
A strip search?
Yeah.
Keegan's up for that, aren't you, Keegan?
got. No.
Strip search?
No. Fuck's sake. Why don't you use that butt plug that you got?
It's too fucking big.
Right, so Jesse, the actual dingbat, couldn't find a grommet in B&Q, so what we're going to do is we're going to head to Alfred's to try and find him one. We'll see what crack is.
Gang, gang.
Stuff just to... You're right guys, how's it going? My name's J3SE. I've got a YouTube channel that goes by the name of J3SE. My nan's bold and I like men.
What's funny about that is all of them statements are true. Him just grabbing shit, thinking he owns fucking place, lot.
Forget the topic again.
Keegan's gone to front somewhere. If he's pretending he's got a friend, when he's actually got no friend. No, he's actually talking to Jack. But
Look at the size of my spanner.
looks a bit like you, mate. That
Yeah, it is me.
aerial grommet.
Oh, hold on. There's quite a few in there, isn't there? That might be it. If it ain't, I'm right outside the shop, so I'm ringing it back.
Yeah, I think that might be it.
Hey, up, he's joined us.
Here he is, look, pretending he's got a friend.
I can't drive my car.
Right. Look at this on the line.
When I walked in, they were looking at me like...
Look at this, look. All that space on there, you can fit a Trent bus down there, and then you got this bit here.
Not, right? Park so close to that dickhead and have plenty of space aside where nobody...
But then what happens when some dickhead parks here?
Got some fucking lucky, mate, because I'm not bothered.
Just explain the
Don't
situation, bro.
There we go, boys, watch this. Look at him taking easy route, look. So they're popping up curb. It's not like he's got coilovers or anything like that. Oh, fucking hell, he's close to that wall. It's close to that wall. Oh, he's done it. So I'm going to sit here, eat my bacon, lettuce and tomato sandwich. Because man's got to eat. Why Jesse smacks his own arse instead of actually washing his car. How you doing? Can I help you, sir?
What are you eating there?
Fucking bacon and... I've just introduced my bacon and... I can't even remember what it's called. Bacon, lettuce and tomato sandwich. I just introduced it to the boys.
To the boys?
Probably tastes like shit, but... Nice little Scooby.
You not get that. Do you know when you're washing it with just a sponge and you go under there, just slice your fingers?
Missed a bit, mate. Look, He's actually missed a bit, boys. Look, look. That's actually not no shit. What a way to dint your car, man. I found you, mate. Hey, look, this drip. Hey!
I even come from the other there and all.
What the fuck? I've never seen something so tragic in my entire life. Of this guy trying to wash his car, right? He's going round all sides like this, look. All nice. Yeah, he's not even touched roof yet. 10 out of 10 for effort, mate. 10 out of 10. We're just watching Jesse recording his wiper delete.
Special tool that I haven't got.
So it's like, again, Inception.
John, I need your help, mate. I need your tools.
See what I just mean? Like, fucking hell, all I'm trying to do is record a vlog and I just get dragged into fucking everything.
Look,
Everything.
I've got all the sizes except that one. Well annoying.
What size do you need? 2 mil? Right there.
Hold on.
Right there. Look at this, look. He's actually fucking leaving us to go and pick his missus up. Right outside his house as well.
Straight up weapon.
What a sausage.
That fits great.
Sweet as a nut. Wow. Gear look. New gearbox for Jack's car. We've got clutch and flywheel as well. It's all nice and sweet. So we've got VXR, VXR, and VXR, and SRI. The SRI, boys. The SRI. Right, so Keegan's light failed his MOT because his bulb wasn't pointed in the right direction. Right, but if you're actually looking here, are we ready, boys? It's not even in. It's not even plugged in.
Mate, you are some virgin, aren't you?
Off job Bob. How do you feel about that?
Fucking shit.
Right, so 18 hours later, Jesse's actually finally done it. Shame he didn't clean his window though. Did you?
What are you vlogging now?
Did you? Hey?
No.
Did you?
No.
Look at that seriousness on that face.
It's done.
Look at him.
Yeah, boys, that's it. Ordered and dusted. What do you reckon? Do you reckon it looks better or worse?
I think it looks good.
I quite like it.
Right guys, so I've just got back from being with Jesse and Keegan. It's 9:15, even though it looks bright outside on this camera for some reason. But it's starting to get dark. That was my first vlog. You'll have to let me know what you guys think, whether you want to see more of them. I might try and do one of them once a week, but it's not something I'll be posting every day. But I thought I'd let you guys have an insight into what I do on, you know, a daily basis, from when I get up to sometimes going home. I don't do this every day, you know, there's certain things where I just sit home and chill like everybody else. But yeah, if you like this content, do let me know. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that sort of stuff. And I appreciate you guys watching, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!